नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। मैं मुकेश पाटिल। आज हम देखेंगे स्टैंडर्ड 6 सोशल साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 3 एंशिएंट टाउन्स एंड स्क्रिप्चर का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन। ओके, वन बाय वन यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे। जैसे कि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है एमसीक्यू का। फर्स्ट है फ्रॉम वेयर वेयर दी रूइंस ऑफ इंदुज वैली सिविलाइजेशन फर्स्ट फाउंड। तो आंसर आएगा ए, हड़प्पा। सेकंड वन है विच सिटी वॉज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर रिवॉल्यूशन इन हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन। तो आंसर सी, कालीबंगन। थर्ड नंबर, हाउ मैनी मंडल्स आर देयर इन ऋग्वेदा। तो ऋग्वेदा इज अ 10 मंडल। तो आंसर आएगा सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है विच इज़ द मेन फीचर ऑफ हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन। हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन का मेन फीचर कौन सा है। तो ए, वेल ऑर्गेनाइज टाउन प्लानिंग। ओके। फिफ्थ नंबर है इन विच डायरेक्शन इज द फोर्ट सिचुएटेड इन द टाउन प्लानिंग ऑफ इंदुज वैली सिविलाइजेशन। तो बी, वेस्ट। सिक्स नंबर, इन विच डायरेक्शन इज द कॉलोनी ऑफ कॉमन पीपल सिचुएटेड इन द टाउन प्लानिंग ऑफ इंदुज वैली सिविलाइजेशन। तो बी, वेस्ट। सेवन नंबर, वेयर वेयर द हाउसेज बिल्ट टू गेट प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम द फ्लड्स एंड डैम्पनेस। तो सी, ऑन हाई प्लेटफॉर्म। एट नंबर, what was the arrangement for the disposal of used water in the town planning of Harappa civilization? A, sewage system. 9 number, in which direction is Harappa located in Pakistan? तो Montgomery. B. 10 number, which town is considered as the main town of Indus Valley civilization? तो D, Harappa. 11 number, what is the main feature of Harappa civilization? तो C, granary. 12 number, on the bank of which river is Lothal situated? तो C, Bhogau. Question number 13, what is the structure made from bricks in found Lothal called? तो A, dockyard. 14 number, through which port was the international trade of Harappa civilization done? तो D, Lothal. 15 number, in which area of Kutch is Dholavira the archaeology site located? तो D, Khadir-Bet. 16 number, which place of Harappa civilization is located in Kutch district? तो B, Dholavira. 17 number, in which state of is Kalibangan a place of Harappa civilization located? तो A, Rajasthan. 18 number, what was the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley civilization? तो D, agriculture and livestock rearing. 19 number, what had the people of Indus Valley civilization made of the entertainment of children? तो C, toys. 20 number, from which places of Kim river of Bharuch district have the small and big colonies of Harappa civilization been found? तो A, Bagha Tadav. 21 number, which is our oldest text? तो our oldest text is Rigveda. A. Okay. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, Kalibangan is currently situated in Rajasthan state. Second, public bath found in Harappa civilization is located in Mohenjo-daro town. Third, Dholavira is an archaeology site found in Kutch district. Fourth, in the town formation of Indus Valley civilization, the roads intersected each other at right angle. Fifth, in the towns of Indus Valley civilization, there was a night light system on public road. Sixth number, in public bath of Mohenjo-daro, there was an arrangement of steps on the both sides to get into pond. Question number 7. Pillared houses found from Mohenjo-daro are known as assembly hall. Okay. 8 number, Lothal is situated in Dhodka taluka of Ahmedabad district. 9 number, Lothal was a prosperous port of ancient time. 10 number, factory which made beads is found from Lothal. 11 number, copper tools were manufactured in Kalibangan. 12 number, there is a wonderful reflection of engineers' intelligence and craftsmanship of craftsmen in town of Indus Valley civilization. 13 number, Dholavira is located in Bachau taluka of Kutch district. 14 number, historians consider the idols of Matruka Devi found from the remains of Harappa civilization as a symbol of Mother Earth. 15 number, Rojdi, Srinathgarh, the place of Harappa civilization is located in Rajkot district. 16 number, from Rigveda we get reference of battles among the 10 kings on the banks of the river Ravi. 17 number, horse is mentioned more times in Rigveda as compared to other animals. Question number 3, true or false. Okay. First statement is Harappa civilization is considered to be contemporary to Egyptian civilization. Wrong statement. Second statement is Dholavira had a rainwater harvesting system. So this is a right statement. Third number, the town structure of Dholavira is divided into two parts. So wrong statement. Fourth number, there are mainly 7 Vedas. So wrong statement. 5 number, the town planning of Harappa civilization was uneventfully done. So wrong statement. 6 number, Harappa civilization is also known as the Roman civilization. So this is the wrong statement. 7 number, the most important feature of Harappa civilization was its well organized town planning system. So this is a right statement. 8 number, single and double storehouse were seen in Harappa civilization. So this is a right statement. Okay. 9 number, the whole town of Harappa civilization was divided into square and rectangular sections. So this is a right statement. 10 number, a public bath has been found in Kalibangan. So wrong statement. 11 number, ornament of the people of Harappa civilization were made of gold, silver and precious stones. So right statement. 12 number, the people of Harappa civilization made special type of toys for their children. So this is the right statement. 13 number, the script of the time of Indus Valley civilization is written in resolved mysterious language. So this is the right statement. 14 number, agriculture was done collectively in the early year of Rig Veda age. So wrong statement. Question number 4, match the column. First, Bagha Tadav. The answer is fourth number, Kim River. Second number, Harappa. The answer is first, Punjab, Pakistan. Third number, Kalibangan. So answer is second, Rajasthan. Fourth number, Dholavira. The answer is third number, Kutch. Dholavira. The answer is fourth number, Dockyard. Second number, Lothal. The answer is third number, commercial port of Harappa civilization. Third number, Kalibangan. The answer is first, agricultural revolution of Harappa civilization. Fourth number, Mohenjo-daro. The answer is second, public bath. Okay. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. First question is, in which countries were the great civilization of human society exhibited? So the great civilization of human society are exhibited in the countries like Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome, etc. Second number, which places are included in Harappa civilization? So the places like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Rakhi Gandhi, etc. are included in Harappa civilization. Third number, where were the houses in Harappa civilization constructed? Why? So the houses in Harappa civilization were constructed on a high platform to get protection from floods and dampness. Fourth number, how were the streets organized in the Harappa civilization? So the streets were organized in the Harappa civilization in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into square and rectangular. Fifth number, what was the most important feature of the Harappa civilization? So organized town planning was the most important feature of the Harappa civilization. Sixth number, why is Indus Valley civilization called the biggest city culture? So there were 2 big cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa in Indus Valley civilization. Thus it is called the biggest city culture. 7 number, from which town have the remains of public bath been found? So the remains of public bath have been found from Mohenjo-daro. 8 number, how was the town planning of Indus Valley civilization? So the town planning of Indus Valley civilization was well organized, well engineered, well planned and efficient. 9 number, why can it be said that Lothal would be a prosperous port of Indus Valley civilization? So due to a big dockyard found here, it can be assumed that the ships arriving here were used for loading and unloading of goods. From this, it can be said that Lothal must be a prosperous port of Indus Valley. Okay. 10 number, where is the archaeological site of Harappa located? The archaeological site Harappa is located in Montgomery district of Punjab, currently in Pakistan. Okay. 11 number, what is the main feature of Harappa town? So the main feature of Harappa town is its granary. About 12 grain stores have been found at the river bank of Ravi. 12 number, which evidence of port has been found in Lothal? So a structure made from bricks has been found in Lothal. It is believed believed as dockyard. That is the evidence of Lothal as a port. 13 number, what were the main specialities of Dholavira town? So the main specialities of Dholavira town were the rainwater harvesting system and stadium. 14 number, on the basis of which remain can it be said that Kalibangan was the headquarter of agriculture revolution? So the remain of farm and copper residue have been found in Kalibangan. It provides that Kalibangan was the headquarter of agriculture revolution. 15 number, of what thing was the town planning of the Indus Valley civilization? A wonderful reflection. So the town planning of the Indus Valley civilization is a wonderful reflection of governing power of ruling elite, intelligence of engineers and craftsmanship of the craftsmen. 16 number, which things were included in the food of the people of Indus Valley civilization? So things like wheat, barley, millet, peas, sesame, dates, milk product, fish, etc. were included in the food of the people of Indus Valley civilization. 17 number, what kind of clothes did the men of Indus Valley civilization wear? So the men of Indus Valley civilization wear two clothes. They wear a cloth similar to dhoti on their waist and wrap a short cloth on the upper part which came down from the soldier. 8 number, with what did the people of Indus Valley civilization make ornament? The people of Indus Valley civilization made ornament from gold, silver and precious stone. 19 number, with what did the people of Indus Valley civilization make utensils? The people of Indus Valley civilization made utensils from earthen, copper and bronze. 20 number, which toys had the people of Indus Valley civilization made for their children? So the people of Indus Valley civilization had made bird-shaped whistles, rattlers, carriage carts, marbles, animals, birds and men, women shaped toys for their children. 21 number, how many Vedas are there? Which are they? So there are 4 Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Samveda and Atharveda. 22 number, which information of the life of Aryan is found from Rig Veda? So the information about political, social, economical and religious life of Aryans are found from Rig Veda. 23 number, the references of which political institution is found from Rig Veda? So the reference of political institution named Gana Sabha and Samiti have been found in Rig Veda. 24 number, which women scholars created the Richas of Rig Veda? So the women scholars like Apla, Lopamudra, Gosha created the Richas of Rig Veda. 25 number, which works did the Samiti shown in Rig Veda used to do? The Samiti shown in Rig Veda used to discuss the important question of the state and give justice. It also elected the king. Question number 6, answer the following question briefly. Okay, आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो और आप अभी वीडियो देख रहे हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. तो नेक्स्ट मतलब आपको इन फ्यूचर आपको स्टैंडर्ड 6 के सारे चैप्टर के वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन भी मिल जाएंगे. ओके, और पीरियडिकल और जो गवर्नमेंट की जो भी एग्ज़ाम होती है, जो भी उसके पेपर आते हैं, उसका सॉल्यूशन भी आपको मिल जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, गिव इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ रोड्स ऑफ हरप्पा सिविलाइजेशन. तो द रोड्स ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ हरप्पा सिविलाइजेशन वेर very comfortable. One of the 2 main highways in the cities connected it from north to south and the other connected it from south to west. Here the streets were parallel to the main roads. Roads intersected each other at right angles. Road and streets were organized in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangular section. Okay. Question number 2, creativity and craftsmanship of Harappa people are expressed in toys. Explain the statement. The various toys have been found from the remains of Harappa civilization. They show that people of that time were child lovers. The people of Indus Valley civilization made special types of toys for their children. Bird-shaped whistles, rattlers, carriage carts, marbles, animals, birds and male-female shaped toys, head-shaking animals and toys showing the artistry of a monkey climbing on a tree are the main toys found here. Question number 3, which features were seen in the houses of the towns of Indus Valley civilization? So the feature in the houses found in the town of the Indus Valley civilization where the people constructed house on high platforms to get protection from floods and dampness. Rich people's houses were double store. The main gate opened in the lane rather than towards the main road. Every house had modern and beautiful system of well, bathroom, sewage for the disposal of used water, kitchen, toilet, etc. Question number 4. How was the economic life of the people of Harappa civilization? So the economic life of the people of Harappa civilization was mainly dependent on agriculture and livestock rearing. The people were engaged in various economic activity like agriculture, livestock rearing, trade and cotton industry. The crops like wheat, barley, peas, millet, sesame, mustard were produced. The cotton cloth of Harappa was very famous at that time. It was exported in Mesopotamia and through it up to Egypt. Thus it can be said that the international trade would have been done at that time. Thus, the economical life of Harappa civilization was dependent on various economic activity. Question number 5. Which places of Harappa civilization have been found in Gujarat? So the places of Harappa civilization found in Gujarat are Lakhabawal and Amra in Jamnagar district, Bagatara on the bank of river Kim in Bharuch district, Desalpar, Surkotara and Dholavira in Kutch district, Rangpur in Surendranagar district, Lothal in Ahmedabad district and Rojdi Srinathgarh in Rajkot district. Question number 6. Which ornaments did the men and women of Harappa civilization used to wear? So the women and men of Harappa civilization used to wear ornaments like necklace, rings in fingers, hand bracelet, bangles, earrings, waist belt and anklet. These ornaments were made of gold, silver and precious stones. Question number 7. Answer the following question. First, write a short note about Lothal. So Lothal is situated on the banks of the Bhogao river in Dholka Taluka of Ahmedabad district. It was a commercial port and industrial town in the ancient times. अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, क्योंकि स्टैंडर्ड 6 का सोशल साइंस का एक अलग से प्ले लिस्ट है जिसके अंदर आपको उसके पूरे सारे चैप्टर मिल जाएंगे वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन के साथ. ओके. One structure made of brick has been found here. It is believed as dockyard. It can be assumed that the ships arriving here were used for loading and unloading of goods. Besides this, warehouse and a bed making factory have been found from Lothal. These remains show that Lothal was a prosperous port of ancient India and international trade center of Harappa civilization. Question number 2. How was the town planning of Harappa civilization? So the town planning of Harappa civilization was well planned and well organized. Its main features are as follows. All the towns were planned in a similar way. All the places of Harappa civilization had the fort at the west side and colony of common people at the east side. A fortress surrounded the fort. Bricks were mainly used in the town structure. The roads were very comfortable and intersected each other at right angles. The main gate of houses open in the lane rather than into the main road. ओके. तो इसी के साथ ये हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 3 यहाँ पर ख़त्म हुआ. अब इसके बाद हम चैप्टर नंबर 4 तो नहीं देखेंगे, लेकिन चैप्टर नंबर 9 का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे. ओके. चैप्टर नंबर 9 है द अर्थ आवर हैबिटेट. ओके. तो मंथ वाइज जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है सिलेबस का उसके हिसाब से अप्रैल जून में फर्स्ट चैप्टर है, जुलाई में सेकंड और 9 चैप्टर है, अगस्त में 3, 4, 14 और सितंबर अक्टूबर 10 और 15 और रिवीजन. ओके. तो हम 9 चैप्टर देखेंगे अभी जो बाकी है. ओके. तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय चैनल. बाय.